Conversational memory is how a chatbot can respond to multiple queries in a chat like manner. It enables a conversation, and without it, every query would be treated as an entirely independent input without considering past interactions. So, it is related to how we have this conversations saved in our memory. So, let's see how it works. I will write here import get pass import OS. Now I'm going to set the environment variable. I will write here os.environment, and then I will set the Hugging Face Hub API key, Hugging Face Hub underscore API underscore token, and then I will assign it to getPass, and then I'll go here, get my API keys, and I'll press enter and I'll paste the API keys here. Now I'm going to create an LLM model. I will write here. Before that, I will import Hugging Face Hub from LangChain. Import Hugging Face Hub. I will make a variable LLM. Then I will call this Hugging Face Hub. Inside this, my first parameter is repo ID. Then I'll go to Hugging Face and then copy this mixture model and paste it here. Let us execute our code. And I got an error. It says it did not find the Hugging Face API token. I will copy this and paste it here. Okay, I made a spelling mistake. I have to write here N. Now I'll again paste this token here. I'll execute this code again, and this time it should not give me an error. So now you see that we have created this LLM model. And now we are going to import conversation buffer memory from LangChain. I will write here from LangChain dot memory import conversation buffer memory. And now I will make an object of this conversation buffer memory and save it in a variable memory, and then I will call this one, and it will take no parameter. Then I'm going to import conversation chain from LangChain dot chains import conversation chain. And now I'm going to make one variable conversation, and I will call this conversation chain. Inside this, my first parameter is going to be LLM model, and I will pass our LLM model here. Second is verbose is equal to true, so that we can see what is going on. And third one is going to be memory, and our memory is going to be this memory that we have created here, this object. And then I will print this conversation. So I have this conversation chain here. Now what I'm going to do, I will pass text, and it will make prediction based on this memory. So I will write here conversation. So this conversation object that we created, then I will call the method predict, and I will pass input. Input is going to be, let's say I will write here hi there. Let us execute our code. It says that entering new conversation chain and human. So this is a conversation between human and AI. The name itself suggests conversational. That means there is going to be a conversation between entities, and this conversation is between human and AI. So human says hi there, AI. Then if here you will look, so here is say human hi there, AI says hello, greetings from your AI. And then it suggests that you can ask such questions like where are you from. Then AI would answer, I'm an AI, so I don't have a physical location. However, I'm currently running on servers located in New York, USA, and so on. Now I will add to this. So we have this conversation initiated with this hi there, and now I'm going to add other text in this conversation. So I will again call this conversation dot predict and then input, and I will write here, I'm doing well, just having a conversation with an AI. And now let us execute this code. It says entering new conversation chain. So our first conversation was hi there. You see here, this was our first conversation. So we have this our first conversation hi there, and then the AI says that the following is a friendly conversation between a human and AI. The AI is talkative and provides a lot of specific details from its context and so on. And then human asks, where are you from? So AI says, I'm an AI and I don't have physical location and so on. Then human says, I am doing well. So this is our latest conversation that we have added. So this one, I am doing well, just having a conversation with an AI. So this is what we have passed here. And after that, it will also reply. So here you will see some replies from this AI. I am currently processing a variety of tasks for different users. For example, I am helping a user in Spain translate sentences from English to Spanish and so on. Now I will add one more conversation. So I will write here conversation dot predict input, and input is going to be tell me about yourself. Again, it has started the conversation. The first one was hi there, and then we have added some more conversation here, and this one is the last one, tell me about yourself. And let me save this in an object and then show you. So I will make one variable output here, and then I'm going to execute this code, and now I will print this output. So here you can see you can store this conversation in this variable, and then you can retrieve this conversation later. So here the objective was to show that how you can create a conversational memory. That means you will start with, for example, this conversation, and then you can keep on adding the conversation that you are doing with an AI. So at later stage, when you want to get the history from a conversation, you can retrieve it. And in our next videos, we will see how we can retrieve this history from the conversation, because what we have now in this output is a conversation memory. That means whatever conversation I have done as a human with an AI, all of them have been stored in this output variable, and I can extract those conversations whenever I need it. So that is the purpose of conversational memory, where you are going to save this conversation as a memory. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.